welcome back to another summer vlog, a little day in my life. It is, what day is today? Thursday? Yeah, it is Thursday the 29th. It is almost August, which is crazy. I just woke up and I'm about to go make myself my smoothie, which I have a new smoothie recipe for you guys, kind of like something that I added to it. So now it's just like a new green smoothie recipe, and it's so good. I will talk more about like the ingredients and everything I put after, but you guys will see a montage of me making it. It's so good. Well, I'll also pop up like the ingredients on the side, but my new go-to, you guys need to try it. But yeah, I'm gonna go and make that right now, and it's like the perfect way for me to have breakfast because it fills me up, and sometimes I don't have like the biggest appetite in the morning for breakfast, and this is just what I found that's like perfect. So let me go make it and show you guys my new little recipe. Okay, this is my new smoothie recipe. See how green it is? It just makes me feel even healthier, but it's basically the same way I would make my other smoothie, which might sound weird, like the banana peanut butter oat smoothie. Just adding spinach and kale to it. Now we have our greens in the morning, and it's just an easier way to get your greens in, I feel like, because honestly, I do not taste it at all, and I feel like whenever you have banana in a smoothie, I feel like it really helps because it really masks the other flavors. So I still put cinnamon and all that stuff, so I can still taste everything from my other smoothie, so it doesn't taste nasty. I'm not like forcing myself to drink it like I have with other green juices or green smoothies, but you gotta find what works for you. So this is my new recipe. Everything would have been popped up already, and I'll put the recipe in the description box, but it's so freaking good, you guys. And now I'm going to make my to-do list for the day in my dotted notebook. Pick a new color. It's so fun. Here is my to-do list for the day. I need to respond to some brand emails. I need to edit vlog, edit a thumbnail. I'm gonna go to Target. I'm gonna film that haul, show you guys obviously what I get at Target, and also I'm gonna do a little Instagram haul. I need to buy a gift today, and then maybe take pictures for Instagram if I have time, and then I work at 5. So busy day. I'm going to get started now while I finish my smoothie with emails. That's gonna be the first thing I do.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Okay, I pretty much showed you while I was shopping. So my slippers. But the first thing I got from Target, I got a gift for my cousin's baby. My little cousin. She's so freaking cute, and she just turned 1 year old a couple days ago. So I got her this gift, which I think is really, really cute. So cute, and I'm excited to give it to her and see how she like reacts to it and stuff. You guys have seen her in my vlog when I was with my family. So I got her this little toy and I'm obsessed with it, and I got it from Target. So it's just cute, this little thing. You just turn it on here. Tell me that it's not fire. Okay, moving on. I got myself, this is my favorite coffee pods. I really love just like the basic Starbucks Pike Place roast. So I picked up these because I'm such a latte girl with like my Bianco Leggero pod, but when I'm feeling like a coffee, I really love the Starbucks Pike Place. So Target sells them. I got 2 boxes, and I got 2 new hair products. So I really wanted another like leave-in product, like a leave-in conditioner, and this brand, my friend's mom who did my hair really recommended it, this brand. So I decided to pick up the leave-in conditioner and the deep conditioner. So I'm gonna do this a lot, and I still have another like hair mask thing that I can also use, so I didn't finish that yet. So I was just like, let me just get these 2 products from this brand. And the reason being is obviously after you dye your hair, it like you need to like revive it pretty much because it gets dry and all that stuff. It's just freshly bleached. So I really want to take care of my hair, especially before I dye it again for the holidays and stuff in between, because after I dyed my hair the last time, I was taking really good care of it. My hair was super soft. Everyone was like, well, how do you keep your hair healthy after you dye it? And so it was from doing masks, deep conditioner, all that stuff. But I'm just trying out a new brand this time, and I still have the Olaplex oil that I'm going to be using. But I like to take care of my hair also now that we're in like the summertime. It's so hot. The chlorine from the pool, going to the beach, being in the sun also takes a toll on it. So I really need some good products. So I'm going to be testing these out. I will let you guys know how I like it and keep you guys updated with that. I also got my sister something for her apartment. I got her a blender from, it's the NutriBullet something, Ninja Bullet, something along those lines. But I already hid it so that she wouldn't see, so I could show her like tonight or tomorrow. So I'll show you guys maybe later on. But we also stopped at Dunkin' after Target. I went with my mom, and because I hadn't had my coffee today, and we were out, and I was like, you know what, it was also rainy vibes. It's like gonna start thunderstorming, and I was like, you know what, I just want a nice hot coffee, hot latte from Dunkin'. I got this a couple weeks ago, and I was like, okay, wow, never had like a plain Dunkin' drink. Whenever I would go to Dunkin', it would be for like a French vanilla swirl or a hazelnut swirl like in the fall, but I've never just gotten like a hot latte with just oat milk and sugar, like plain, no like fancy syrups and all that stuff, and guys, it's actually really bomb. Like, I really enjoy it. I've really been enjoying just like pure, just like the taste of coffee, and not like super flavorful stuff. So I don't know who I've become, but yeah, let me update the to-do list. Also, I'm gonna post on Instagram the new hair products that I'm gonna be trying out, and yeah, let's update the to-do list for the day. Okay, I responded to emails. I didn't finish editing the vlog or the thumbnail, but I went to Target. I bought 2 gifts actually, and I did not take pictures for IG. I'm not doing that today. So let me finish working on the other stuff before I have to go to work in 2 hours. It is a little while later. I just showered and washed my hair. I did the deep conditioner, which right off the bat, let me just give you guys a quick little first impression review. Also, if my face looks like extra shiny, it's because I just put on moisturizer. But my first impression was it smells really good, by the way. Like, the mintiness is just so like cooling, and it feels like you're in a spa when you have to leave it on. I left it on for about 15 minutes. You can definitely do longer, but I just did 15 minutes. And what was I gonna say? The texture of it is not as thick. I kind of assumed, I guess, it was gonna be thick. It was a little bit more liquidy than I expected it to be. So just be careful with that so you don't like spill excess, you know, make everything count. So definitely be careful with that part of it. But other than that, it like lathered up really nicely. I feel like you don't need to like go ham on it, but you still want to make sure that you're covering the sections of your hair. So I feel like it'll be easier if you section it out rather than just try to like lather on your whole head, because I feel like that will definitely make it 10 times easier. So then I just washed it out, and now I'm about to detangle my hair and put in this leave-in conditioner. So it's also for all hair types, and it's color safe. So perfect. From the root to the tip, don't rinse out. On dry hair, spray enough to saturate the hair strand style as desired. So I might still put a little bit of my oil like at the very tips of my hair, and like maybe up here because where my hair gets super dry, but other than that, I'm gonna really focus on using this. You see how knotty my hair gets? I like can't even. Detangling my hair is like not it. Okay, let's put a little bit of the oil. Also, what I was gonna say is the main reason also that I really am trying to make my hair obviously healthy, just for the sake of it being healthy, duh. But also I haven't found the right products for where like after I comb my hair and let it air dry, like the way it dries, it hasn't been it for me. It's been like super dull looking, dry, a little bit frizzy, and just not curling up the way that I would want it to after the shower. And I noticed it after I dyed it and cut it, plus also with the summer and the chlorine, like obviously my hair is just a little bit more dry right now, but I haven't found the products to help it give that nice wavy curls that I do have, to leave it natural, because that's why I've been wearing my hair in like clips and stuff, because it just looks really crazy and I just haven't been liking it, honestly. So yeah, also I feel like my second day hair is always the best. Like this most recent time that I washed my hair, the second day it was a little bit better than how it has been, but I don't know, that's just my little rant. Okay, let's do this. Let me not do it like on my bed. Is it on? Am I open? Oh, I see here. Okay, it is on. Or not. Okay, it's on. not me completely spraying it like in my face. You guys just miss it. I'm just gonna curl it like this. It's very liquidy. So, just gonna scrunch her up. I don't want to go too crazy on it, but I will update you guys in a couple of hours before I go to bed with how it air dried. But this is after me just like scrunching it up. You see how my curls look, my waves, curls, whatever you want to call them. But it smells really good, very easy, not like too like slimy or weird textured, because I hate that texture. It's like everything to me, and if the texture is off, nope, because then I feel like it just is too heavy and like weighs down your hair. This was very light, and we'll definitely keep you guys updated. My hair is now like, I want to say 85% dry. Look at how curly. This is the liveliness that I needed. Sorry, man, for this freaking bed. It's so curly. It just like brought them to life. I'm just a hot mess, so please don't mind my beach towel on my bed. But it also just doesn't look dry. Like they look like, my ends look just like healthy. Like I just needed to like quench my hair's thirst. Sorry, also the TV's really loud. We're watching like a baking competition, but I wanted to show you guys the update. Super curly, and it feels good. It smells really, really good. But so far I'm loving it, and I give those products like a 10 out of 10 for right now, because it's just way better.